Did you know you can copy both current and earlier transcription in Live Transcribe? This makes it easy to save meeting notes, conversation, or any important information for later. Let me show you how. First, open Live Transcribe. If you need help finding it, go to Setting. Then scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Live Transcribe. Then tap Open Live Transcribe. If needed, let it transcribe a few sentences. To view earlier transcription, simply swipe up on the screen. Next, press and hold the text you want to copy. Adjust the selection handles if needed. Then tap Copy. The selected text is now copied to your clipboard, ready to paste into Samsung Note, Messages, email, or any other app. And that's how to copy live transcribe text on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.